With SimplyBook.me, you can send payment links and share QR codes, allowing for fast and easy mobile payments. You can integrate multiple payment processors to your booking page, so your clients can choose the payment processor they want to use. If your payment processor supports Apple Pay and Google Pay, transactions are as smooth as silk. Just a simple confirmation and voila! No more hassle of manual credit card entries. Use Tap and Pay or Stripe Terminal for easy on-site payment processing. Vaulted Payments will allow you to charge clients on-site with just one click using stored payment details and allow your clients to use them when they book with you. Happy clients can also add tips as they check out. Easily refund clients from within the system without a hassle. Set up recurring payments through a range of payment processors. Integrate with Xero, FreshBooks and QuickBooks accounting software. Get access to extensive reports covering all your clients' payments. Take full advantage of SimplyBook.me payment features and transform your payment game today. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.